New trend. First, anxiety trend. First, do animal you have anxiety? Okay, good. Now next is, what do you think anxiety is? Okay. Do you have anxiety of night time? Like you don't can put your legs down. You just put them up. Okay.
Yes, I don't.
Now the question is, do you make all day vlogs? Yeah, I don't. Okay. Okay, the new trend. Let's do it. Do you hate green? I know. Danny Makeup Star. I'm in your team. Hi guys. Another question is, do you like Danny Makeup Star or do you know Danny Makeup Star? I mean makeup. Danny Makeup? I don't know. Oh sorry, I'm so sorry. And then the trend you got yes. The next trend is, what do you love to eat? What do you hate to eat? Sorry. Okay. Now, which YouTuber you hate? Okay, sorry for that. Okay, now say, which color do you hate? Perfect. What is your phone charge? Number. Okay. Now the trend is going to be, what song you hate? Okay. Which trend you hate really so much? Okay, thanks for saying that. Let me think. Do you love the trend? If you hate the trend, then say yeah. And the trend is, do you don't like the trend of say finger down if you are a good girl? Like this trends, I love those, but I don't make vlogs, so I don't know. So I'm gonna make little vlog of it. So now the question of everyone. This is the last question. Are you Muslim or Hindu? Or Jesus? I don't know. Just say it. Yes, bye. Wait, the video is not done. Okay. Who do you love, mom or dad? Okay, bye.